What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode, man. You guys see the title. This is the MSCHF Lil Nas X Satan shoe collab video. What the hell was Nike thinking, guys? You tell me in the comments. Now, before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, it's We Don't Cook Food, just so you guys are up to date with the latest and the greatest. Now, as you guys can see, this video right here has to do with the actual website. Pretty sure the URL is satan.shoes. What else can I say, man? These sneakers are really causing a ripple on social media and the sneaker world. A lot of people are upset due to the satanic themes and whatnot. We're going to talk about it in this video. So, guys, enough about that. This is just a regular Nike Air Max 97. This is a collaboration with the brand MSCHF. If you guys remember, about a year or two ago, I believe, they dropped the Jesus shoes. They had holy water allegedly in them. The retail was also pretty ridiculous, like over $1,000. I'll go ahead and put that picture up right here. And yeah, Drake copped a pair. You know, it is what it is. I don't think a lot of people had anything negative to say about it. But, you know, some people clowned it for the holy water. But again, it is what it is. Here we are, fast forward to now. Lil Nas X drops a new music video for a new song. You know, stirred up some controversy. I guess it had some like satanic devil type shit in there, and a lot of people were not happy about it. Lil Nas X, if you don't already know, is the Old Town Road rapper. He's got a couple other hits, so I'm not trying to discredit him. He's also openly gay, so he's faced some controversy with that as well. Disclaimer, to each their own. I don't care what you do. Good for you. You feel me? It's 2021. We got to move past stereotyping and bias and all that bullshit. So anyway, these sneakers right here, they're a collaboration. I'll go ahead and kind of put up some photos from the actual commentary I've seen on social media. Again, people are not happy, you know, comparing it to like satanic and devil stuff, and they don't like the energy of it. Nike themselves came out with a statement. I'll go ahead and put it up here. Basically, they kind of distanced themselves from it, saying, you know, we have no official collaboration with Lil Nas X or MSCHF. It's merely kind of like a custom pair. Now, a big thing with these sneakers, as you guys can see, there's a whole lot of red. You know, shout out to Playboi Carti. If only that album was better, but it is what it is. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys check out my Playboi Carti merch review video. Not too bad if I say so myself. But the thing with these Satan shoes, Nike Air Max 97s, already a clean silhouette. There you guys can see the actual box. Again, some kind of like satanic artwork, you could say. There are 666 pairs of these. As you guys can see with the stitching, this is pair 6 out of 666. How ironic. There is the actual quote that is on the shoes. You know, the box at least has some cool branding. The quote, it says, "I saw Satan fall like lightning from heaven," Luke 10:18. That is stitched into the toe box of the sneaker, as you guys can see here. I want to know your guys' thoughts, man. So far as like a collab, I don't think it's low effort or anything. I think that, you know, the touch of the human blood as it's supposed to be or whatever is kind of interesting. I think that it's not low effort. I always like to see a dope box. As you guys can see, that blood like kind of sloshing around in there. That is 60 cc's of ink mixed with 1 drop of human blood. As one person said on Twitter, who the hell does the blood belong to? I don't know. Maybe it's the artist. Maybe it's Lil Nas X himself. Or maybe it is the poor kids that they use for the sweatshops. You know, we need to bring some attention to that as well. That's a whole nother story. But yeah, guys, I just want to talk about this sneaker. I want to know your thoughts. Do you think that they are worth $1,018 in retail? Do you think that they cost that much due to, you know, the fact that there is human blood? I think personally they're only going to go up in value due to the controversy. I think edgy artists, you know, whether they're hip hop artists or whatever, like Lil Uzi, Playboi Carti, whatever, I can definitely see them picking up a pair of these and flexing them just to, you know, match their aesthetic and their vibes. It's definitely different. But yeah, This is the resell. I want to go ahead and throw this up. This is the resell for the Jesus shoes, the MSCHF Jesus shoe collab I talked about a little earlier. As you guys can see, again, retail I believe was around 1,000 something, maybe 1,100 at the max with taxes. And you know, resale is not that bad. Maybe make $1,000 or $2 on it. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Do you think that it's a bad look? Do you think that if you had the opportunity, would you actually wear them? Would you, you know, I just want to know what you guys think, man. Honestly, it's been a minute since I made a video. I've seen the controversy with these. I had to talk about it. Me personally, I think it's kind of like a dope collab. I don't really care about the religious aspect of it. No disrespect, you know, to each their own. But I just think in terms of the creativity of it, but I understand totally where some people are coming from. They don't like the energy of it. Totally get it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe. And let me know what's been good with you guys. As always, guys, thank you for cooking with the kitchen. Stay safe and peace.